Yesterday, we showed you images of the batteries that will allegedly be deployed inside the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Those images came from tipster Roland Quant, who today disseminated some more tweets containing pictures of other Galaxy S9/Galaxy S9 Plus components. For example, one of the images shows the fingerprint scanner, notice the new shape, while another reveals the lone camera earmarked for the back of the 2018 flagship model. Another picture shared by Quant shows off the USB-C board for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Both models will be unveiled on February 25th, at the Samsung Unpacked event in Barcelona. That is the day before the 2018 MWC trade show is scheduled to begin. We could see Sammy's 2018 flagships launched on March 16th, if the date listed on previously released renders mean anything. Another image that we showed you last month revealed that both models will sport a different layout in the back this year. Instead of having the fingerprint scanner next to the rear camera like it was with the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus, this year the scanner will be found underneath the camera module. That could make it harder for those users blindly looking for the fingerprint scanner, to smudge the glass camera lens.